Yeah, man.
Buy a brand new bike, you know. I'm not riding on the road to my license and insurance. Yeah, mad man. Brand new machine, you know, make me get back to like that one of them gone on. I want different.
Me so drunk, I looking at the rush.
My first fit without being wet.
Yeah. Move good and move fast. Alright, man, work. Drip my chicken. No, man, no. I'll hurt my work, man. See? We can't go in the market. Rasta man, see the thing. Yes, Rasta.
Go forward.
Give thanks. Nothing. Yeah, see the Rasta man, them. In the market and thing. Come on, we got you. Take it.
Yeah, no behind him. Wait, two problems.
This doors.
Yeah. No, there.
Just pour them out.
Man. Yeah. I'll buy some, get it.
Oh, you need these shoes, and I don't have no out here.
$100 for the nice young lady.
Thank you.
Thank you, young lady. We're going to make you sit now. Go on. That's very good because me alone they know nicely.
Yeah, man, the world like I know you nicely.
When they see me, they don't see me alone, you know?
Yeah.
They see me with others.
Yeah.
Okay. See how they're doing. I look blue, when the river then come to the sea now, the whole place flood.
Yeah.
Yeah, some people sometimes
Okay.
for a long time.
So John Bill, you been here a long time? How many years?
Like since I run taxi out.
Yeah?
Like since I run taxi out.
No, just living.
I'm born and grown, man.
Yeah? So you see everything already?
Yeah.
Janville. So you know this man?
Yeah.
You and him grew up?
Yeah.
Want to play ball together?
No real but him a youth.
Close district.
I you would have grown up man to see them money and them money talk and a little youth, you know.
Yeah.
It's a big all them man have to pull up all the cassette.
Yeah. Music.
Yeah.
So I still reggae you deal with?
Yeah.
What you say, man? I forget your number, you know, because when I come in, I can just rush in. Because I go see me more time.
Okay.
The world, I forget to know him, you know? I feel him time now.
That's how you go, man.
Yeah.
Every time.
Yeah, your time.
Oh my God. But the day I'm born, I'm like,
Yeah, man, from cassette days, man, some man have full run music, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, from cassette days, man.
What else said to me?
From my teacher that select one JBC
Yeah.
station. You know, so way back in the days that, you know.
Yeah.
This big someone pull up cassette for me at night time, so at night time.
You still have some of them old cassette there? Lucy nice, man. You look like no crime not the runners.
Yeah, man, so night time we can everything can run good.
everywhere crime them.
It get hot.
Everything can run good.
Everywhere the crime.
Things kind of good right now.
Yeah, man.
It's nice, you know. It feel like St. Mary, a mixture of St. Mary.
So my man in kid out there one of them police because some of them the place kind of nice and
Cool down. it kind of feel like a Portland, St. Mary. It have a mix, you know.
Yeah,
It have the water,
exactly.
it have the bamboo. St. Mary carry a bamboo.
Yeah,
Yeah. And it have the little hill them. Portland have the hill them.
yeah.
You know, nice vibe. Lucy, a first time I really experienced Lucy.
Yeah.
You know, beautiful.
I'm telling you know, say the one that come about all up on it that can live there, all the one live.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, all the one live, man. The people that always
Call them to the water.
And the people that always deal them nice, man. I'm not telling no lie.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
I come take over my house,
Yeah,
man. Him not know say me come, the prodigal son come home, you know.
I tell you, man. All of them son lady come on a female and come live. I'm going to tell you, so them 2 months yet, and see the amount of weight where a lady put on.
Me I
Can't
tell you.
believe.
Food.
You know, the brown lady just one
I
little.
live against me.
Yeah.
Come in there.
Could the amount of weight where a lady put on like quick space at time.
Then I mean, come and see how me come against you. So that,
So you not cook ital for them? How come them again weight?
no, I mean, look here, it's like this, you know, it's comfortable, you know.
Yeah.
You may live in a corner where it's miserable.
Yeah, yeah.
But after you come a place and you find that love of the people,
Yeah, yeah.
you feel that you're at home.
Yeah, man.
Oh, I
You
see.
check your mind.
I see.
That's what we do. We show love a lot.
Okay.
And the thing is if you know, if one is will come with corruption, you know, we change him.
I see.
Because you see me as special.
Yes.
Look here, you come in and earn it.
Uh-huh.
No. Me don't turn me back. Me don't say, oh him do this and do that. No, me take him, man. Because when you never know enough to do it, me take him, man. Take him as my student.
Yes, I.
Yes. And then you transport love to him.
Yes, yeah.
I believe in person, you know, have love.
Uh-huh.
If I have 1 out of 100, you have 99, but you have one
Yeah,
to
man.
love. Don't tell me, look here what I want to do.
Yeah, man.
But if you want to try to destroy, everything come by the destroy it.
Uh-huh.
You know going to work out. That be a destroying one God.
True.
So you have to the system of earth, you know, people lame. So you have to.
It's a blessing to me, the hydrants. Them. We bring a lot of music for them, you know.
No, we're not going to music. we already we live in the hills, you know.
Yes, I.
What is comfort to people, I collect it.
Uh-huh.
What I know is comfort.
Yeah,
To my brother and sister, I collect it.
yeah.
Yeah. And when I collect it, I pass it on.
The place nice, man. It's lushy, more
Yeah,
lushy
place
than.
nice, man.
It's like Portland and St.
Nice
Mary.
place,
You know,
man.
and Manchester, not so lushy.
Yeah.
It's nice, man. It's a blessing to meet the item because, you know,
Nice place, man.
feel the energy.
Yes,
Energy
princess.
lovely. Good morning. I'm on it. So you have youth, them and family?
Yeah, man.
And I'm still here, grow up and thing.
No.
Ghana.
One year to get 6 years, so one I'm for the littlest one. Your body get big.
Yeah, 6.
Your body get big, yeah.
How are you this?
Yes, this is
Yeah,
you.
man.
Him have your number?
Yeah, man, this one I've known there.
It's
No?
a blessing, you know?
Very smart.
You see me reach home, man. Just, you know, and
We are trying to look at the ocean, you know, man. The man top of all things in the ocean.
how long job blessing you? How long you living?
All of my life. This is where I'm born.
What them call you?
Canaan. Bark. Yes, man.
Enough things I go on over there. Music. This is not going back to friend them. Yo, I have so much music for now.
That's so much love, man.
Yeah, man.
Like this, a man I give you no man. That's why I'm the man for me, you know. When we want to listen to consciousness. Yes, man. When we want to listen to consciousness, man, I am one. Real man, this man.
I'll bring some more for you,
Yes, man.
you know.
Yes, man.
Alright, teacher. Yeah, respect.
Give thanks and blessings. All right, love.
Let's have it, brother.
Yes, sir. See it there?
And in place of me cut them, you know. I'll go right up, go on the crossroad and come on, and me have this place of the cut out too.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah man, that's some yeah man, the whole place bush up and, you know, and me have a walker, you know. Yeah man, that's what me do, man. Lean on my friend it, go and do some work right now. So me clean up, me always clean up the whole place, go right down, way down, and for this road I go right down, you know. Yeah.
Bike a come through.
All right.
Yes. How many years you live here?
How many years? From a bad man. They are 65. From a bad, I have some live. Alright, and I reach back. When we live right now, there's some band, you know, not even the hospital, and that tree.
Zion King
Zion King.
means no touch here, purify. Them never touch in a Babylon hospital. So you're pure.
In a hospital.
Yeah. Once you're born home, you're born in Zion.
No. And but those days there was like, you know, you have
Midwife.
it's not me alone born that do born in, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Everyone in those times. So you have a lady named midwife would come around and look after when mothers take into a baby. You have a lady named midwife, they come around, you know, and set up the lady. Like cut neighbor string and stuff like that. Yeah. Yeah, man. So it's just two things grow. It's people go to hospital now, clinic, hospital, have baby. Things grow. More things built up. Yeah. Yes, this is my.
Give thanks.
Yeah, man.
You have a dog.
Yeah, more than one.
What them name?
I don't have a name to none. And it's not my dog that we still.
Them just come through.
Yeah, because they know say where they love here just. I use my van, I do workshop. That's my workshop here.
The artist constantly working.
Yeah, that's my workshop.
God bless. To the King. Yes. Yes, yes. Lovely. Artistry.
Yeah, man, step in. Simple.
Lovely.
Yeah. The little thing this summer put together, we have like kids and thing. Yeah, man, I've seen that.
Beautiful. Thank you for bringing me to your house.
That's no problem, man. You don't carry a problem, you know?
CD. You say you play the CD.
Yeah, just play some music.
Okay.
I use it as a comfort from long time. Because there is no one to comfort. Don't care you try, don't care what good you push out. Everyone looking something where they don't have. So I know when I get, they're looking something where I don't have. So I know when I get no comfort, if I need a mother, you know what I mean? Yeah. Who are in our feed now, put on all the peas, the bean cook already.
We love the vibe, the energy, pure.
Yeah, just a little thing. We just calm and easy like this and take what they have to give to us. We used to the whipping, so the whipping is nothing to us now. You understand? We used to do it in all different ways. So the only thing we have to do is just happy and joy and live, because it's time to do things. There's no make sense force in doing things. It's time. When you have time, that's the greatest. It's a fulfillment of earth. With the work you do, the pay you get. You understand? Yeah, and this fulfillment, our brothers and sisters can't see it. Because they're blind to the system. Because the system, the way they born and grow, that system, take away the whole of their right seeing, what they should see, the right thing, that system take it away, blind them to the right thing. You understand me? Yeah. So the right thing hidden, and who hidden is not around again, they're gone. So, you know, they would say, parents eat the sour grape and leave the children to eat an edge. Yeah. Anything we see happen around me, it has to happen. It's not say it's harder, and I know. There is a lot more visitor, more than you going to come, maybe in different form. A lot come, you know. A lot come. A lot come. Even a lot of pastors come right there. And they really have to go and come back again. Because they cannot believe, say, really, a man who will grow betwixt them and beside them. What they was looking for from me is a different terms. For they was looking for me to be a bad man. That's why they treat me bad. Because you see, in Jamaica, like we are like underdog, and the ignorance comes through struggling from people. The ignorance comes through struggling. So, in my own self, I don't go nowhere. I grow here, I born, go here, I don't go nowhere. Yeah. But I walk through raindrops without get wet, because I was innocent. And you see that innocent tradition of me, my reward is not silver and gold, is not money. My reward is goodness, because the goodness you're going to feed to me, you're going to share it with the innocent. For every living person are innocent. Don't matter how rich you want to be in values like machine-made things. Don't matter how rich you want to be. And no matter how poor you want to be in machine-made things. Everyone are equal.
Right?
Yes, brother. Yeah. What you do? You go with something?
Yeah.
You mash a thing?
Big man.
Yeah?
A big place here left on there.
So you do the
Well,
gas,
it's in there high, sir.
the gas finish?
A little job left in there, but
How we do
2,000 make it.
that? At wing you? Well, nobody could just back. Yeah, I want to over V.
Yeah, what's up with you?
If you don't have that, it don't make sense, because the evil thing on the destruction it brings. The evil thing brings destruction. Don't care, you are a person looking comfort and doing evil to get comfort. No, it will no. You don't do evil to get comfort. Cannot, not under life. It's strong. It's powerful. My mother have 7 of us. So. I am the only one born in Jamaica. All 6 born in England. I'm the first one. She leave I when I was 3 years old with a great grandmother, and she died from I was 9, and from 9 I had my own. It was an easy road, but I don't make it be like the road that I travel, where the pressure was put on me by people, own and not my own. But I don't make that trouble me. Like at this time, to say it's true them why I feel that pain. Because the traveling of spoil come through parents. It's built in people. Why I want spoil it built in people. So you give it on to the children come up and give it on to their children. So that's it. So what happened? I don't blame no one who make me feel pain. Because I have to check out their background too. Say they was innocent. They're only searching for something. And what you're searching for is nothing. You're just searching for you just be a slave to people who use their brain.